magic of discovering foolish people. And that is the strength of the NPP. So a political party on this platform that has the technique, the strength, the ability to always discover foolish people, it is the NPP. Every year, I'm going to discover about 10. Also, so much discover. They discover every year. And sometimes you ask yourself, how do they do it? I know MPP got talent and I said, I know much that question wurem. No matter say MPP got talent for fools. Now audition, now because every year they come up with new group of foolish people. And that is what we have been saying. MPP got talent. Their discovery, their skill and the technique they use in discovering fools every time. It amazes me. And see, John Mahama, I catch the nurse for say I have restored Alawa and the nursing training college for Nina Obia Alawa has been restored. Oma I can't a daho for Alawano and this yaban etianina nurse for student almost school almost per se almost nursing training college almost first year almost day almost fees in aban absorb it. Why na be jina bontina catch Ghana for say John Mahama ka say first year tertiary institution, public tertiary institutions, abandon betia first year fees. One because a minor John Mahama deliver. John Dramani Mahama and the Okasa Efa Ora Homomiako the John Mahama Ekaye.
Of our commitment to good governance and accountability and the prudent management of public resources. Mr. Speaker, we've made progress through strengthening collaboration among law enforcement agencies, financial intelligence institutions, and prosecutors. These efforts have led to initiation of criminal proceedings and asset forfeiture proceedings against some individuals and entities implicated in financial crimes against the state. But yes, I agree with the sentiments of Ghanaians that we must press harder on this accelerator. As of December 2025, IOCO has recovered more than 600 million Ghana cedis. The office has investigated 462 cases, with 15 currently under prosecution. It has dismantled transnational car-jacking syndicates and has recovered 29 luxury vehicles that were stolen. Mr. Speaker, the government remains resolute that corruption will not be tolerated, regardless of status or political affiliation. The Attorney General's office will continue to use both criminal prosecution and non-conviction-based assets recovery mechanisms to ensure that stolen public resources are returned for national development. Mr. Speaker, I understand that a large majority of Ghanaians are impatient to see those who abuse their public trust in office held to account. Mr. Speaker, there were periods when, under military regimes and unconstitutional governments, extrajudicial means could be used to exact retribution against persons perceived as corrupt or who had abused the mandate given to them by the people. Mr. Speaker, this may have appeared as swift justice, but many regrettable excesses were recorded. In 1992, we overwhelmingly adopted the 1992 Constitution to accept governance by the rule of law. On 7th January, when I swore the oath of office before the people of Ghana, I swore to uphold the 1992 Constitution. I may be as impatient as everyone else to see justice done, but painstaking investigations must be conducted, dockets must be prepared, charges must be filed, and the accused must have their day in court, including appealing, even on the smallest point of law, to higher courts. This process is necessary to protect us all against abuse or ill treatment of citizens, and to ensure that only those guilty of offenses against the state are punished. As President Mills of blessed memory said, he said, and I quote, "The wheels of justice grind slowly, but they grind exceedingly fine." Mr. Speaker, let me reassert my determination to uphold the accountability of public office holders to the people of Ghana.
President Mahama Ekasano say, "We are Ghana ni Ghana ni buefu when it comes to say ope accountability chain or no. Or say, we are Ghana ni, ono say Ghana ni, ono kura de o share obo. Say, obi a wafa esike dibia no, obe make sure say sankofo no sebio. Omo a omo di ye bone a ye won gina so no, omo nyina atwe oma so. O say, Ghana for enti ase. So ubuofu anadwi na wo hwe no. Anase ubuofu enda no pa na wo hwe na. Ni buofu chen. No say, yemfa bufuo empam ntontom abra osi wo hwe ho. Yemfa bufuo empam ntontom abra osi wo hwe ho. Ni nyina de opeso ka kire Ghana fo nyina ne se. O se mom ye ti ase se emra eya de bia sebio ende endi wa adwene be o se yemfa kotikwan bia so ne mfa ndi obi. Na de on wasua every eye politics ene nyansa kakra we nyane nyina ne se oni Professor Mills nante no Professor Mills ka sembi o se emra ewa abotre enya abotre na sebio enyam ade. Na de emra eye ne se emra start se enyam ade a enyam no fiko. It is all about all of us understanding say ye pese ye de emra ne di djuma na ye hodi omo di ye krono abo ye krono edi adwirum ye twe omaso a ye nyina ye nya saa abotre no na emra no endi ne djuma pepepe ewom se ye nyina ye pentam ono na ye president obi ani wa ogi hit ne chen no o hye ye bo o se obeso ka che Ghana for say emra no wo a eye adwuma ne de se echechechechechecha adiko edwoma echechechechecha Gabby otchere darko ofe ne to a echechechechecha akukọ ebenum nsuo o se de osia wo Professor Mills ho efa amamuo ene sebio akontabuo hu ne se yebu akonta na sebio o penentem se yemu a aya na wura fi hu se ebia na okira hu ne ginanim intima akontabuo ne nya pepepe kroje se ne beya debi no obi ngina bebi nka se ye kan ne kasabo ahye ne yem obi raise objection or court I will say my court ni di n'adwuma raise take care of the objection but I say eba eyedian akuntabuo say ya twi nipa bi aso ono ni buofu chen but mama ye nyina ntia say kebi ma menka bi ne atimi as far as the court no ho attorney general investigations ye di nipa bi akogina emrana no o hye Ghana for mbo say echechechecheche ye dan a akukọ benum nsuo and the Okasan or see Yoko has recovered more than 600 million cedis. Some who be brainamunim. Menoka say Yoko Sebio Jomahama ba ya almost started di omujumedino. Chrono bia nipebia bo ka nipebia ria nyoma bia nipa ye no eye sumase omobusuafo ye politicians e binya politician no sika opepepe 600 million Ghana cedis and then the Yoko enyama Ghana. Or say ebaswa ende yenomo kasei ana onemo kasei ensema eda pono so a omu hwehwem nipa bi hu akoka adwam a yetoto oma no de oma kogina court no it is about 462 cases o say ye kasei a ogina eye parliament ene wudi nkomo ne bufuo ewo soro nanso sebio we nya abotre a opai de wankasa wani no o say eye ensem ana court cases nipa edu magina eyeden court anu a ye di o masem sisia no nipa 15 cases ena wo court sisia 15 cases omu nyina no efa eyeden court mram osa kasa no say eye Yoko nipa bia na omu botuo ejeje cars efa kotikwan so efra brochire ba Ghana ene Ghana ham nyina cars be 29 sebi obronika se luxury cars cars ya body boa etumi se ebusua dan 500 no o say omotumi agibe 29 o say o ka kire Ghana for say eye oman na otimu no se ubuofu ani buofu chen nanso ye ntumi fa ni bre enye eni hahan ne de kwa prinkins ma fie nti o say ye nyina nya abotre na de bia no eba odi beja ne say Professor Mills oni di djuma edidi nsawoso a osua ne nantiem no o say se wuyi eye de eta na se wo de nyam moko ewo da eboba so a sebio wunya abotre na wonyam a obadwin se moko no enyam ntam na wunya abotre na wonyam ne kakra moko no ebefe fiko John Mahama asema okafa eye prosecutions ewo Ghana enso eno no now president Edi Nkomobi efa eye gold board
By formalizing gold exports, we have reduced smuggling, we have increased recorded exports in the artisanal and small-scale mining sector from 63.6 tons to 103 tons. And we've channeled that foreign exchange into our economy. Mr. Speaker, when the cedi stabilizes, imported inflation falls, businesses can plan better, and household incomes improve. Mr. Speaker, as global uncertainty grows, it is necessary for us to reduce our country's exposure to external shocks, break the cycle of economic downturns, and safeguard our macroeconomic stability. Just last Wednesday, 25th February 2026, the Minister for Finance presented the Ghana Accelerated National Reserve Accumulation Policy to this House. Mr. Speaker, this policy seeks to strengthen our country's external resilience by increasing our international reserves to 15 months of import cover by the end of 2028, supporting long-term structural transformation while safeguarding macroeconomic stability. Mr. Speaker, it is forecast that gold prices will remain high over the next 3 years. And so this presents us with a unique opportunity to build an economic war chest to withstand any global economic shocks, to secure our macroeconomic stability and improve the standards of living of our citizens and build a lasting prosperity for future generations. By formalizing gold exports, we have reduced smuggling, we have increased recorded exports.
Mr. President, take us on a bibi for gold board home. I say, Ghana for Oba abecheche gold in sensemuso achiremo. I say, a bag gold and the Ghana to be and sasi a book. Eka se gold way ye dia ye to me a 2 year a kwan paso etumi enya free mu enya sika free mu as Ghana for no. Yabeto gold no oso mo buy no. Na omo about 63 tons of gold pen and esi wo. Si e kasi e ton a na nya sike bia. And because of the gold board buyer or the Sammy Gyamfi to ano sebio omo toto nyama ekeka nyama sieni ehun se Chinese for wiaye India for wiaye ye be stop illegal mining ye be bo ye ni ankasa egudie ho ban e de emra enhyehyeye ene sikasam toto ye papa abetare ho no o say ye tumi move from 63 tons to 103 tons and me na oka say sa sika ni nyina abaye Ghana sika enitina gold board etumi making over $10 billion in just a year. I see, and so I said your otchere Ghana for the say eba eye Ghana gold munsen sema and ya pass emra ya she emra sebio and gold no ya di bibe sie yenchirima ebeba abewu se gold ni bi wo ho na emra na oma ya she enra e parliament by 2 days ago no the emra na be nyina na say ya gold no ya kodru impempenso bia aban bia obebe bia no bebia gold ne da no ontumi ton ema ne enkosi ase se yaka se 20 tons da wo ho a 20 tons ene de aban bia ni obetuma ba ka se sa gold wo de nsa bom enti wahemra say ye bebo ye gold no ban sebio de ewo ho a ewo se yetumi ton de ade hihye ekuro no ye de ye schools ye de ye kwan ye de hye economy nimu no ende ye betumi na emra beda wa je se gold no ewo se yetumi de tabo no to baby a ye ntumi ndi gold no nkopem a sebio ye beko ye nchiri masikemu enti o se sanyoma we nyina na oye because ono de obi anim se bi ote or buy or the Esla buy or the contingency fund buy or the a lot of fund buy and the manoka say Mahama case and the yare kwankro and nipa bebre entumi nko wuntumi fa health insurance entumi enkono and the oko Mahama case obo bia da ko ene nkofo no yare ni surgery akese sika over 12 billion de guma omode eboa Ghana fo a omode ko yare kwankro into John Mahama no his life has always been about being proactive and thinking about tomorrow into gold in and someone na or say ende yenya gold yetumi to gold ye bon ho ban ye de kwan paso etu gold esie gold make sure say obi ntumi mbewia na yesu ntumi nko wie obi no or say sa gold no opese ebi ka ho ma ye nchiri ma no beto na enu ankasa so etumi build a mbre bi a ebedu a gold ehu akọ atwe no ye betumi akọ akofa bi aton age ye nananom into say he is thinking ahead as today a yenya gold in there, yeton bi a yedi bi ye Ghana no. Ono so mpese gold ni nyedi ensabebom or de mra ya shembra parliament a sa gold ye de tabona to baby a yentumi ndi enkom. E hode de ye duru ese ye nananom dia, ye nananom dia in the next 20-30 years no. Eno na wo so omo so e de bo ekuru ho de mbra. Enti John Mahama Magana for what I say, otchere man na ɔman no nka ye, ɔman no embebunu, ɔman no sebio ya dishia ye nya wo mo kra no, ɔmo so woni tirim. Nti na gold a ye nya no, ɔde mraba ye de bi to hɔ, ye sie bi. Aban bi antumi banka say, me de me Akufo Addo, me de me Samira, me na me pe gold, me wia gold akɔ Chad, me wia gold de akɔ India, me wia gold abi ontumi fa nsanka gold because ye de aba parliament abɛhyɛ. Now John Mahama can send me a airport. Now, I say government to begin work on new regional airport in Sunyane, Bolga, and Wa. I say a buying a na buying we or catch a Ghana for say Oma Tenase, Omo Yen Shishaye, Yaba Beye Airport, Ewo Sunyane, Omo Eba Aba Beye Airport, Ewo Bolga Tanga, and Wa. Sunyane Airport and Shedan Sweni. John Mahama who is see ye inti Sunyane, Bolga and Wano, or the airport ebe koho, Emma Sebio, a hoso aquentio, and in Sawaswo, inti Ebedum Pempensobi, companies are mobile koho, Omega say, okay, so me could be a company wa met my bank crime within 2-3 hours, met my bank crime within 1 hour, met my bank crime within 30 minutes. Inti sign your money Ebua companies, investors, world-class companies, etumidio musika beshe ukrum, because source of transportation no, very important. It was say Sunyane wa any Bolga and the omoda tokra taswa almost so eba benya airport kurjin dying soko plane betume to a free crime a betume to a free kumase ako wa ako Bolga and ebiso asako Sunyane proper ama Sunyane for omunyinanso and Ghana ye nyina ya chichira boom osaka ensembi efa eye university so ho or say Ghana for government is going to establish 3 new technical universities to strengthen skill development, enhance innovation, and support national industrialization effort. Menoka say, Oko eye John Abujina Pokruma, Oko ha Ubonse Omuyeden Omusi University ho eno eye granta eye Chinese for the Maya Yedisi eye university. Or say or catch Ghana for say or Saba besi 3 modern universities ewo Ghana ha. Senebeya technical university ebetuma boa ye mabunu na omo person omo tertiary institutions ekotwa eye university ne so ekotwa university so omesua eye skill technical skill no or say eye na ban way e de krata atwa omo eba besi eye university technical universities nkwa miensa ewo Ghana ha senebeya eye mmebunu no omo pese omo toa amadesua so ewo Sebio University abreso eye technical no omo so benya sa university nako into wa Ghana for bo say ono ne friend John Mahama no wa be pen ma Ghana for engineering di munyina munjini di say omo esa ababe den ebesi 3 more universities ama Ghana for into mama eno so yemfa nto yekoto dwem now oka bibi efa eye to ehun President Mahama eka bibi fa to ho na ede na oka fa to ho mama mbiem na kwase bi ankasa Kevin boa oka bibi fa to ho to de no o say I am pleased to inform this August House that for the first time since 2018 Tema Oil Refinery has commenced the processing of crude oil into petroleum products again. Kwame Nkrumah around the 1960s, I think, ena one Italians ever together ena omusi eye Tema Oil Refinery. Under John Mahama 1, from 2012 to 2016, even from Atamil's time, proper from 2012 to 2016, John Mahama edi ewada akukoto to ye nyina ehu adwuma omo ye na omo nane fango na eboa Ghana. John Mahama free power 2016. January 2017 Akufo Addo taking over. January 2018 ena to omugu no. Tema Oil Refinery ena omugu no. Ena omo turn it to into a tank farm. NAPO, Kennedy Agyapong, Bawumia, Akufo Addo, Gabby mo omo turn it to into a tank farm. It is at Breno. ya di petrol ba omo kofa petrol eba na omo be store omo ankasa petrol na omo ton Ghana ban. John Mahama be take power in 2025 January. And mena woka say John Mahama say and wosu weni tia mena woka say Tor Tema oil refinery and the NDC are buying almost refining over 40,000 liters a day. We are talking about 40,000 barrels of fuel. And John Mahama and the John Mahama almost be a Tor, Emma Tor, Juma. The CEO of Tor is one of the new discoveries under this government. Wabe show Ghana for say you can be young, but you can prove to Ghanaians to say when you are given the job and you know what you are doing, you can do it. The young CEO of Tor, the top 10 CEOs are under NDC government. You cannot pick 5 without picking the CEO of Tor. The young man, very quiet, very simple, paying attention to detail, has proven to Ghana for say, you don't have to be 60 years. You don't have to be 50 years. You have to be in a decent age group to be committed and patriotic to work for your nation. And the Tor works 24/7. And that is what John Mahama are instilling in the young people of Ghana. Sammy Gyamfi, you go to Tor, you go to BOST, you go to NPA, you go to all these very important state institutions. John Jenapo, you see all these young, humble people who are working hard. Humility, no, they are listening to people. They are not disrespecting people. They are showing intelligence and commitment to the job. They are serving the people. John Jenapo, the boss, CEO, the Tor CEO. You can talk about Sammy Gyamfi. You can talk about NYE. You can talk about what these are young people. Go to Mahama Kes, Obuobe Dakumo. Go to other agencies. These are people. Go to Forestry Department, Elekem Kotoko. These institutions, they are working. You can see these young people are ready and willing to work for the people. Go to the health ministry. Ejuma Akando is doing very solid. My own. Onedo Korasa, Erikopoku, El Capitano. When it comes to Agrek, and Ediania Busu Ghana, because of Erikopoku, the experience. There be na videos and are buying for the first time in the history of Ghana. Ekuafobi blame buying say aban aduane ne doso betobi. And so yatna ha under NPP. Kwasiafo be ka kire say planting for food and jobs. Omo de bodia betum 20 ebegu nkran say otufo mfiri Kumase embeto bodia won kran. Under NPP, under Mahamadu Bawumia, the Kwasia policy by almost a planting for food and jobs. Under the leadership of Eriko Poku as the agric minister, Adriania Busso is managing the system. He is trying to coordinate with farmers, and we are seeing bumper harvest. It is because of the collaboration and coordination between the agric ministry and the farming communities. And the 24-hour economy market neighbor, all these farmers, they can send it to this market. That is how you build a nation. And the John Mahama or say, and the otchere Tor, Tema oil refinery, that was from John Dramani Mahama. John Mahama Kasafa Ejuma jobs. Let's go to John Mahama. He spoke on jobs. President 1 and then President 2, I will explain.
And according to the Ghana Statistical Services, over 1 million Ghanaians have found employment between Q1 and Q3 of 2025. Mr. Speaker, and 950,000 Ghanaians have escaped multi-dimensional poverty over the same period. Mr. Speaker, I'm pleased to report that our external position has strengthened significantly. By December 2025, our current account recorded a surplus of 9.1 billion, representing 8.1% of our GDP. This is a remarkable increase from 1.5 billion or 1.8% of GDP in 2024. These achievements have been driven by robust gold, cocoa, and non-traditional exports.
John Dramani Mahama and the Oka in some efa ejumahu. Na eno NPP for kokobo APA Jimmy. Say John Mahama say over 1 million jobs. Ebin see or see obeji eye banua akonwa kese no as a government. the Okane say, or see, over 1 million jobs have been created, direct and indirect. Now, or see, between first quarter of 2025 and the third quarter of 2025. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3. Now, so Obika said over 1 million. And the NPP for Nam Nomo Kasa, hey, statistical service for a release statement. No, almost say a year quarter 1 and 2, no, na a year over 300,000. So statistical services say over 330,000 jobs have been created from quarter 1 and 2. It means say if it is over 330,000, the possibility say by quarter 3 2025 it is over 1 million. What's the big deal here? Comprehension amonti anase Jimmy na mojimi. When you read the statistical service document itself, this is the executive summary. Statistical service key labor market outcomes. Let me read it to you. Or say in the third quarter of 2025, John Mahama Kasano or say quarter 1 and quarter 3. Or say in the third quarter of 2025, more than 15 million people participated in labor force. Wait, a statistical service document. Participated in labor force with approximately 87% employed. Now, when you're talking about 15 million people, 87% out of 50 million people, do the math. Now, when you go for it, it says this: employment increased by over 330,000. When they say employment increased by over 333,000, the first question you ask is, where was the employment number? And then where the 333,000 ever taught so? This is comprehension. Or say employment increased by over 330,000 persons between quarter 1 and quarter 3 of 2025, reflecting continued absorption of labor. Female employment consistently exceeded male employment throughout the period. Urban areas recorded higher employment levels than rural areas, while Greater Accra and Ashanti regions accounted for the largest shares of employed persons. So when you read the document from the statistical service said, employment increased by over 330,000 persons between quarter 1 and quarter 3 of 2025. So then you ask yourself, when they said the employment was over 330,000, the probability for we getting over 1 million people between quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, no, it is possible. So what is the noise about? Is it comprehension? Because statistical service themselves said employment basically over 330,000. So if 87% of 50 million people were in the job market and then 87% were able to succeed, then it means that 330,000 people were added to the previous number, which the president so over 1 million people got the job. Unless you say NPP for unless you don't understand grammar, unless you don't understand the comprehension, unless you read it is basic, and this is an official document. So 1 million, when you say 330,000, it still means over 1 million, because the 330,000 is not a stagnant number. The statistical service could have said only 330,000 people were employed between quarter 1, 2, and 3. But they didn't say that. They said over 330,000 persons between quarter 1 and 2. So they are making you understand the probability. So read the idea. MPs no more Jimmy. You just don't take a document and say, because John Mahama said over 1 million, it means nipa 1 million in Drew. When you read the document, the statistical service said number 2 million. Now say and the otchere say 2 million a double. He is going to tell you say job losses say and the nipa lose ejuma na nipa 1 million lose ejuma na last month obekacho say nipa 1 million lose ejuma na say osabekacho say nipa 1.3 lose ejuma obekacho say over 300,000 people were added to the unemployment rate, meaning otchere said there is a significant number that is there already and adding this number to the significant number, and it's no obekacho say over 330,000. The probability that is 1 million, it is high. Into a comprehension MPP before Jimmy into statistical service for number catcher say, oh, last month over 330,000 people were added to the unemployment rate. It means there was a number that over 330,000 was added. It could be 500,000 people were added to that base number. In some cases, there was an increase of 330,000. That means there was a number that the 330,000 and over was added for you to arrive at the final figure of over 1.1 million. So the president was honest with Ghanaians. The president was reading from Statistical Service document. This is comprehension. Inti Abane created over 1 million jobs. And we have to all understand, say, the NDC government continuously, consistently, they have been honest with us. John Mahama has been honest. Already speech where we are, me who NPP Nibia, what me baby appointing number 5 said John Mahama boy. Nobody. Me who MPP Nibia, what me about out boldly to say, John Mahama can we or boy. John Mahama can we or boy. All that they are saying, oh, Abani a settings government. Oh, Abani we there. They cannot point to anything because the president has been consistent and he has been honest with Ghanaians. And that is what we have been asking for all these years. Campaign say, NDC back to power now. We needed a government that was going to be honest with the people. We needed a government that was going to tell the people the truth, no matter the circumstances we found ourselves in. And the government way to be taking a bold decision to take a decision on cocoa board, because we needed a government that is bold, that is ready to tell its people the truth. It is our reforms now about where they about cocoa board, no? And then in the next year, no, about changing the life of cocoa board and the farmers themselves. You always need a government that at a point will make very difficult decisions. At the end of the day, no, it will be painful, but at the long run, that decision will help every single person. And and I am so happy that John Dramani Mahama and the NDC, they have been consistent when it comes to they telling Ghanaians the truth about how Ghana is state no etie.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.